Hi YouTubers, I'm Steve. I've started my own little online page with Facebook called Vei-Tech. I'm new to this YouTube. I just wanted to explain, I'm a reseller on eBay and a lot of people have been struggling to get stock. But for me, I've not. I've had a lot of people come to me because they've been short of money or whatever reason, and obviously I've got lots of it. So I just wanted to show you what I have that I need to list to get through. So for starters, I've got some laptop and computer panels. All these are brand new, old stock, to be listed to go on eBay. Absolutely loads of them. I've got another 2 boxes downstairs, but I'm going through them. I had a load of these. I've only got a couple of these left. These are i3s, HP's computers. They've been selling okay, not badly. And I've got loads and loads of TomToms. I really do not know what to do with these. They don't really sell for anything, so if anybody knows what to do with them, put a comment below please. Let me know. If you want any, let me know. We've got a G4 power MacBook. That's got to go onto eBay. And we also have a load of iMacs here. They are old, but they sell still. Not for loads, but they sell, so anything's a profit. Now, I got this haul in a charity shop. It was actually cancer research. All these boxes, this one, that one below, that one, all these boxes are phone cases. And they're current cases, like iPhone 11, yeah, iPhone 11 Pro, sorry, that's 11. And then you've got some posh 11 Pro ones, like leather cases. Like I said, loads and loads and loads. You can see loads of them. Also, I have piles of DVDs down here. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with these DVDs. They're probably going to end up going to charity, most of them. I also have loads. This is just one of 3 boxes of brand new laptop screens. These are new old stock. As you can see, they still got all the stuff on them. So if you have a laptop, you need to fix it, let me know. I've probably got a screen for you that I can do cheaper than it if it's on eBay. Yeah, this is my first YouTube video, so I hope you enjoyed just that quick look around. I'm going to be doing another video soon where I'm going to be basically selling an item and the whole lot will be going to a charity. I'm not going to say which charity at the moment, but the whole funds will go to the charity. I won't keep any of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.